So guys, one of the cool features on this car is the ambient lighting that the A-Spec has and the Advance has it. Has the foot lighting already in it. And it has the lights in the door pockets, front and back, which is cool. I didn't know that, that the rear doors have it too. So how you do that here, you go into the settings menu. And just follow what I do on the screen here. And I'll take you right there. Very nice. There's 27 different color combinations you can do here. So if you see that right there, accent light theme. And here's where you can adjust them all. There's 27 different ones. So what I didn't know, if you see there's a big circle and then there's a little arch on top of it. Okay, well the big circle is going to be your footwell lighting and then the door pulls lighting. And the little arch on top is those tube lights that are on the doors and the center. So I didn't even know that. So if you want to know the color combo, that'll show you. So the red here, I'll change it to red. That turns red. And this is all red. So everything's red. The foot's going to be red. A lot of customization here. So then let's pick another one here. Okay, so this one right here, if you see the main color is orange. Okay. So like I said, you can customize it so many different ways. Just go down the list here, whatever you guys like. So this one, the tubes are going to be orange and the pulls are going to be green. If you can see in there. And then the foot will be green too. So that's how you read this thing. Whatever the big circle is the footwell lighting and then the door pulls. And then the little arch on top is these tube lights. So see, that's the purple. So it's kind of nice. That was one thing I thought was pretty neat about this trim. It has all that already. I always like adding the footwell lighting in there. But you see there? So I like the contrast, and I didn't even know the rear doors had the lights and the door pulls. So that's cool. Just a neat little feature I wanted to share with you guys how to change it. Like I said, I wasn't really sure how to do it. And when I had it, it was all set on red already. And it was a little much for me having the red and the footwells. It was a little too much driving at night. So I have it set now where the tube lights are red and then the door pulls and the feet are white. I like that nice clean white look. So that's how I have mine set up. Like I said, it's personalized to you. So kind of neat feature I just wanted to share with you if you didn't know how to run through that and change it. That's how you do it. It's real basic, straightforward. Okay? Hope everyone's doing good, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Thanks, everybody.